What? What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. Today magre-react na tayo. I mean, magsa-start na tayo mag-react, gumawa ng mga reaction videos sa performances ni Arvery and Christian, which I believe, if I'm not mistaken, no, sila yung latest champion ng TNT Duets, and I am very happy, especially for Arvery. Dahil I've had a handful of reaction videos sa mga performances ni Arvery, and kahit hindi man siya nanalo dati, nasabi ko nga, yung boses niya, meron talagang space, no? Definitely, pwede talaga siya sa industry because of her unique tone and very emotionally driven na style of singing na talagang ma-entice ka, mahuhook ka dahil nga parang pang OST talaga, no? Christian, I'm not really familiar with him. Maybe I've seen him or I've watched him perform, pero hindi ko lang nabigyan ng emphasis dahil wala siguro nagre-request dati. So anyway, so let's just watch their first round performance. I know it's too late, maybe too late na to, but basta magre-react ako from first round and then up to the final round, okay, grand finals performance. If you're interested, just stick around, subscribe, and papunta tayo sa grand finals, okay? So yeah, you can also follow me on Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram, okay? So with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. So yung ginamit ko palang video dito is the one that is edited, heavily edited and modified, para makaiwas tayo sa block or copyright, no? So yeah, let's do it. Let's go. Bagay sila. Parang umiiyak na eh.
Pero kahit na mahirap man, kailangan nating pagdaanan hanggang sa muling pagkikita. Di kakalimutan pangako mo. Alam mo na sandali, kailan pa naging madali? Kahit tayo kung sa akin mawalay ka, walang magagawa. Pangako hanggang muling magkita tayo.
Beautiful harmonization. What? Galing pala nitong Christian, ha? Ayan, no? What?
Paalam muna sandali. Kahit ayaw mo sa akin mawalay ka, walang magagawa. Ipangako mo, walang magbabago, hanggang muling magkita tayo. Sana sandali lang. Paalam mo na sandali.
What? Ang galing. What? So grabe, no? Both of them have crazy vocals, no? Range, tone quality. Ako nagulat ako kay Christian, no? I've already known Arvery's, let's say, skills, no? I'm much familiar with her than Christian. So nagulat talaga kay Christian. And one thing I like about this is they're both emotionally driven singers. Isinasa puso nila yung kinakanta nila, which really hooks and entice the audience, no? Talagang makukuha nila yung attention mo, yung emotion mo, no? Meron talaga silang charisma on stage. Stage presence is very evident, and they both have their moments. So walang sapawan, talagang they're just supporting each other, no showing off. They're much more focused on the duo, no, the duet, the blending, the harmonization, rather than parang yung showing off talaga na dapat ako yung lamang dito, dapat makita nila yung ko talaga, yung kakayanan ko talaga as a solo artists. So they both understand the assignment. This is TNT Duets, and you have to do what a duo should do. Yung ego natin, 'di ba? Sometimes, there are singers na talagang they would really show off kasi, 'di ba? I'm much more superior than you. So that's why I should have more moments than you, no? May mga ganung mga mga singers na they don't really worked well with another singer kasi nga medyo may ego, no? But both of them left their ego. They focused on the assignment, which is a duet performance without compromising their own ability as singers, no? Grabe. Nice. I love it. It was perfectly done and very powerful. Yung range ni Christian, grabe na, wow, no? May mga moments to na nag-key change, and I was like, oh, talagang, I like the rawness of this performance, and it was so emotionally driven, and both of them did really great. So, sa inyo ba? Sa inyo ba? That was really impressive. Very, very impressive. So, abangan nyo yung second round performance nila. Darating tayo doon. Okay? So, if you guys enjoy this, please subscribe kayo. Don't forget to comment down below or mag-request kayo kung ano pa yung mga duets sa latest TNT season duets na gusto nyong bigyan ko ng reaction. But right now, again, sabi ko nga kanina, from the start, from the beginning, na I will do performance by performance reaction for Christian and Arvery. Okay? So, hanggang umabot tayo sa grand finals performance nila. So, that's it. And hope you guys enjoy the one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace.